What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to see someone's friend list on Snapchat. Even though Snapchat keeps individual friend lists private to maintain user privacy, let's check if there's a way to see if you share mutual friends with someone. Open your Snapchat app on either your iPhone or Android device. Tap on the chat button located at the bottom left corner of your screen. This will bring up your chat history. Here, you can choose any contact by scrolling through your list. Tap on a person's name to go to their profile. On a user's profile, you see various details like their Snap Map and other shared content. But you'll notice that their friends list isn't visible. Snapchat does not allow users to see someone else's complete friend list to protect privacy. Now, if you go back and tap on Add Friends, you might see suggestions under Quick Add. Here, Snapchat might display how many mutual friends you share with each suggested person. The more friends you have on Snapchat, the higher the chances of the number of mutual friends appearing here. This is indicated right under their names, like +3 mutual friends. This feature is the closest you can get to understanding someone's connections within the app. Remember, Snapchat's privacy settings mean you cannot directly view someone's entire friend list, only mutual connections as suggested by the app. If you're curious about specific connection, the straightforward approach is to ask the person directly. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.